Hello, hello, hello. I just signed off in just a few minutes ago, but then again, I decided to sign back on. Well, the reason why I signed back on because I do want to deal with the issue of E equal MC squared. As I had indicated before to my viewing audience, I would talk about that formula, E equal MC squared. Because my plan is to reverse the effects of that formula, which was categorized by Mr. Albert Einstein. That E equal MC squared categorized by Mr. Albert Einstein led to contemplations of mass murder. In other words, I don't know if Mr. Einstein was thinking about killing people when he explored that particular theory or that formula. Maybe that was just something that came out of it. Maybe when he began to play with that formula and got into the physics of it, the science of it, it led to the bomb of mass destruction. I don't know if that was really his basic aim or his purpose, but that E equal MC squared has brought us to where we are today. Where we are today is men contemplating killing millions of other human souls. So, being that Einstein was a man, just like myself, and being that he came up with such a formula, and his formula led to contemplations that dealt with mass human destruction, then I felt that being that I am a man, then if that man can come up with a concept that leads to mass human destruction, then I, as a man, should be able to come up with a formula that deals with the preservation of humanity. First of all, man cannot destroy mankind, though he try. I'll say this again. Man cannot destroy mankind, though he endeavors to do so. Only God can destroy mankind. Let's consider the power of an atomic bomb, and let's look at the size of the Earth. So if you drop an atomic bomb, let's say in New York City, people in San Francisco got a chance to survive. People in Miami have a chance to survive. So if you drop 4 or 5 atomic bombs in the USA, you cannot destroy the entire population. Only God can destroy the entire population. Sometimes we as men, we think that we are gods, and we try to do things that are totally impossible, totally things that we cannot do. And yet we continue to do things thinking that we have the power of God. But man does not have the power of God. Man is, let's look at the universe. If we look at the universe, each of us is less than an ant. Okay, think of the the smallest uh, uh, microorganism, the smallest microorganism. If we look at the universe, if we look at the universe, the total universe, man is almost nothing. So mankind cannot destroy mankind. Only God can destroy mankind. And even with the atomic bomb, or the nuclear bomb, or the hydrogen bomb, or any other bomb that's designed to destroy humanity, mankind cannot do. Only God can destroy mankind. For God does as he will, and he does as he pleases. But 1 million people in one nuclear blast, that's a lot of people in our mind. 20 million people to die in a nuclear blast. That's a lot of people in our mind. Okay, what is the antithesis of Einstein's theory? Well, okay, I would think that Einstein, okay, look at E equal mc squared. It looks very simple. E is energy. Then equal means the same. E equal, E equal mc squared. M means mass. Three variables. Three variables. But why is it so complicated? Why is it so complicated? Three variables. Why is it so complicated? Why is it so difficult to understand? Three variables, and the U.S. was able to knock out two cities in Japan during World War II based on three variables. As I promise you, I'm working on a formula. My background is not physics. My background is not mathematics. I only studied art. Now, how would I, an artist, come up with a formula to counteract a formula that a master scientist incorporated or categorized or introduced? This is Musa Matt Newton Jr. signing off in Kigali, Rwanda, 2023.